This is a 15-inch Lakewood model 1500A oscillating desk fan from the about circa 1984, 1985. This thing is a 3-speed fan and it does oscillate. I also have the original owner's manual for it here, which basically just has all the maintenance features and just to tell you about the fan and how to service it, and the warranty card. I know you can't really see the wording since my camera does not autofocus on anything, but just figured I'd show you that. The fan's in pretty good shape. I mean, it's got typical yellowing of the plastic from being over 30 years old, and it's also has a couple of the guards broken on the right side of the front end of the cage there, which is to be expected of this. But anyway, we'll go ahead and start it up here. Start it up on low speed. Take it up to medium. This fan uses a Fast-Go style motor. And we'll take it up to full speed. And we'll go ahead and engage the oscillator, which basically there's a knob you push down on the back of the motor, and it'll start the oscillation. This thing's not really applying this fan, really. Turn it down to medium. Turn it down to low again. Stop the oscillator, and we'll turn it back on to high speed real quick. And we'll go ahead and shut the fan off and let you see the spin down. The motor makes kind of a buzzing noise. I'm not really too sure what that is. This fan doesn't really get heavily used, really. But anyway, I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this Lakewood 1500A oscillating table fan from circa about 1984, 1985. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.